Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Nita here from Next with Nita, and today I will be reviewing the Dyson Airwrap for you guys. I'm going to be doing a tutorial with it, showing you guys how I actually use it to achieve some nice little waves and curls. And when I first started using it, I didn't know how to use it properly. Like, I struggled. I'm kind of getting the hang of it. There's definitely a learning curve with this, so if you have the tool and you haven't figured it out yet, just like take your time with it. It does take a while to like learn because it's air. And it's weird. Just know that there is heat. It's not no heat, it's just low heat compared to a regular curling iron. Let's go ahead and get started. First and foremost, I like to use this when my hair's damp. Like, not immediately after the shower when it's like dripping, but I wait probably 20 to 30 minutes to where it still feels wet, but it's kind of drying. That way it actually does a really good job at drying my hair like perfectly to like 100, as well as curling my hair. So I split my hair in twos. We're gonna section off the hair, maybe about an inch like this. The key is to use like this much. If you do too much, it's not going to grab the hair. And then I have two barrels and I switch it for every side. So this one, you can see the arrows, it tells you which way to go. And this is also the other direction. It tells you which way the air is blowing, basically. Settings wise, I have it on the highest heat, and I will actually end up switching it to cool. I'll show you guys when, but let's go ahead and get started. It does get loud, so I may or may not mute this, depending on how loud it gets. Grab your hair like this. And then curl. And then I hold it for 20 seconds. I used to hold it for like 10 and it just wasn't good enough. Okay, so before you turn it off, switch your settings to cool. And this will really lock in that heat. Turn it off and let loose. So this is how it looks like when you first take it out. It does not end up looking like this when I brush it out, but we're gonna let that sit here while we do the rest of the pieces. Same thing, grab about an inch, and then I basically hold it right here, and I let the air grab the rest, and then I curl it upwards. Bring it to cool. Turn it off. Let it loose. Fabulous. I've had this tool for months and months now, and every time I use it, I feel like I learn more and more. But I used to hold it for no time at all, literally 10 seconds. And then I noticed, since I have thin and fine hair, I noticed that my hair actually doesn't hold the curl. My sister uses it for like no time at all, 10 seconds, and her hair holds the curl. So it really depends on how thick your hair is. Since mine is thin and kind of flat, I do have to hold it for a little longer. The good thing is you're not really using too much heat, and it's drying your hair all at the same time. I did forget to mention that I had applied a heat protectant prior to this. Even though it's not using extreme heat, it's still heat, and you're still letting it sit in your hair for a while, so make sure you put in that heat protectant. I'll link the one that I used down below. Amazing. So now you have like the bottom layer of your hair curled. I'm still not going to brush it out. As I flip to this side, I'm actually going to change out the barrel to the other direction. So there's a little knob right here. You just kind of hold it down, you lift, take it off, and you apply the other one, so that attachment is now on. Super easy and very cool, very cool. Same story for the other side, literally. You just had to change the nozzle out. Grab something about an inch out, hold it maybe halfway through, and let the air grab the rest, and then curl upwards. Now you see the bottom layer is done. Very bouncy, very smooth and shiny. That's what I like about this. Like, whenever it dries your hair and curls at the same time, before it was very frizzy, now it's like smooth and shiny, and that shine will last you days if you do it properly. with my technique. Heat to cool. We're going to do the front part. And release. It's good enough. Okay, so that side's done. I'm gonna change attachments. If you're wondering, is it worth it? That answer is yes. I love it. And the curls really last for like days. So like day 2 or 3, it just gives you a really nice wave on the bottom. I love it. Amazing, amazing work. Just raw out of the Dyson device, it looks like this, which is really nice. This really won't last for me, so which is good because I kind of want more of like a loosey wave. And then like as I run my fingers through it and as the day goes on, it'll just be a really nice pretty curl. You want it like this, just put in a ton of hairspray. And I kind of just like flip my hair around a little bit, give it some more volume, make it a little more natural looking. But you can kind of see like just that really healthy shine that this tool gives you. I don't know if you guys have bangs, but sometimes it can be a struggle to round brush. So I'm gonna quickly see what I can do with the device here. You can kind of see my bangs have like way more volume now. I just kind of did a little bit to where like each side goes its separate ways, the proper ways. Anyways, going in with this volume in powder. Just spray it at the roots. This is the Smooth and Shine Hair Serum from Colleen Rothschild. I use this all the time. But I just apply it to the ends to give it more of a shine, even though this tool kind of does that for you. But it also helps like tame frizz if you have any or static. And there you have it. You have big, voluminous curls with the Dyson Airwrap. So for me personally, I have very thin and flat hair. You guys saw it in the beginning of the video. This is why I love the tool so much. I think the combination of air and a little bit of heat just kind of, I don't know, it gives you that oomph in your hair rather than just heat. Like when I use a T3, I love how my curls look, but it can be a little flat unless I use a ton of product. With this, I need very little product, and air is obviously like it's not really damaging your hair too much. So it's very little heat. It's nice. It does come with a bunch of other attachments like round brushes and things like that if you like to do that. I just like using these 2 attachments the most because I do curl my hair with it, and I just dry it with this as well. Let me know if you have any questions down below in the comments, and we will chat soon. Bye!